Yo, what's happening? It's Lane. We out here doing math.
Today we're going to demonstrate how probability works, which means the extent to which something is probable or the likelihood of something happening or being the case.
6 enrolled students need math, 18 enrolled students need English. That's a total of 24 enrolled students that need a class. 11 students need math that are not enrolled. And then 16 students need English and they're also not enrolled. That's a total of 27 students that are not enrolled that need a class. Meaning that there's 17 students that need math and 34 students that need English. That's a total of 51 students that need classes. How many enrolled students need math? So we know that we have 24 students that are enrolled. So let's go back and check how many kids. So we know that we need 6. So we just go back and 6 is your answer.
What is the probability an enrolled student need English? 18 need English and 24 students are enrolled. How I got this answer is by going back to the chart. So how we would get the answer is we would do long division. So the 24 would go on the outside. So then you put the 18 on the inside. And then since 18 can go into 24, you put a decimal to carry a 0. Make sure you bring the decimal on the surface of the thing. And then you would get 168 because 180 goes into 24 168 times. So, wait. That's not right.
Coming out of the closet.
Oh, shoot. Correction. So 24 would go into 180 168 times. So you would subtract it. Correction again. So 24 would go into 187 times, which would equal 168. So that would equal out to 12, and you would bring another 0, which 24 would go into 125 times, and then it would equal 120, which equals 0. Oh, sorry. So it would equal 0, and then 0.75 would be your answer because you're rounding it to the hundredths place.
So we wanted to convert this decimal into percent. And the way we will do this is by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. And that would get you 75%.
The probability of an enrolled student needing an English class is 75%.
Remember to stay in your lane from Luis,
Ashley?
Niko.
And Enrique.
Ciao.